Now, how do you record voice on the iPad? Let's talk about it. But before we get started, most definitely ensure you are subscribed to Foxtecc, and therefore you will not miss anything important about your iPad. So obviously there are more options with this, but usually I really go with the option which is the built-in Voice Memos app. So this is the app which obviously it comes pre-installed on your iPad, but if you deleted it for any reason, you can get it back from the App Store. It's free. Obviously, it's from Apple official for your iPad. And in there, what you need to do is just to tap on the red button at the bottom to initiate the recording process. The sound will be captured, so you'll be able to see the wavelengths and also like manage the text, like pause, continue. You have all of the controls like to edit, to trim down the recordings and whatnot. So plenty of ways how you can customize it, and that's how it works using the built-in app. Keep in mind, however, that as I'm showing you the App Store, you can notice that there are more voice recorders that are available to you. The point is that it's just going to be a different user interface, or a different developer is going to create it. But to be fair, well, it's going to be the same thing. Like, it's still using the very same microphones of your iPad. It's just a different software for it. So I usually personally stick with the Voice Memos. It's built in, it works well, so I really have no complaint with it. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you have some additional things or questions you might want to ask. Leave those in the comments, and stay tuned for more similar tutorials.